How to use Cemseal Cemfin 2K. Cemfin 2K is an acrylic-based cementitious elastomeric two-component compound for waterproofing. It provides excellent waterproofing, bonding, high performance and flexibility. It is used for waterproofing in bathrooms, balcony, terrace, overhead water tanks, swimming pool and other such key areas. Here is a step-by-step guide to do waterproofing of bathroom using Cemfin 2K. Clean the surface area, wall and floor including sunk slab of bathroom to remove dust, oil, grease, loose particles, dirt etc. Saturate the surface area with water. Remove the excess water so that surface is in saturated surface dry condition. It means that surface's open pores are filled completely with water but surface has no extra water. Take a clean bucket. Empty the liquid provided inside box of Cemfin 2K completely into it. Now slowly add powder provided in Cemfin 2K box into it. Keep mixing using a machine at slow speed. Do not add water or any other material. Once powder is also fully added and mixed well, it will create a creamy consistency material to use. Using paint brush, apply first coat of this mixed Cemfin 2K on the surface in horizontal direction. Make sure to apply material up to height of 15 to 18 cm from tiling surface. Allow it to dry for 4 to 6 hours depending on the moisture in the weather. Prepare another batch of Cemfin 2K as mentioned earlier. Using paint brush, apply second coat of this mixed Cemfin 2K in vertical direction on floor and wall. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. Overlay 4 to 5 cm protective screed above it by mixing cement and sand in ratio of 1:3. Do mix Cemproof WP Plus into it for integral waterproofing of the screed. This will provide a proper slope to the bathroom floor. If screed is not applied within 48 to 72 hours, it reduces the flexibility and effectiveness of Cemfin 2K film. Lay concealed pipes and traps. Lay brick bat coba or screed using mixed design as per the required strength. Cemseal suggests minimum M20 strength. Grout the pipe inserts with Cemseal Cemgrout NS. Conceal the water pipes with Cemgrout NS. Apply Cemfin 2K on vertical surfaces up to shower pipe height, roughly 7 to 8 feet, using two coats, vertical and horizontal, with the intervals of 4 to 6 hours. You can use the same method for balcony, terrace, kitchen sink area and chhajjas. You can use the same method for swimming pool and overhead water tank too. However, the difference here would be 3 coats of Cemfin 2K in place of regular 2 coats of Cemfin 2K as in bathroom waterproofing. Don't forget to clean your tools after use. Contact us on 9099 266 166 or info@cemseal.net in case of any need.